How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set a maximum interval in Anki. It's going to be extremely simple. First things first, head over to your Anki workshop, or basically the dashboard. From here, look for the deck that you want to edit. In my case, it's going to be this one. Click on the gear icon beside that specific deck and then click options. Well, inside this page, just scroll down until you find the advanced option. And basically from here, we have the maximum interval. Now, if you don't know what this is, you could just click on this question mark icon and then it will explain to you that the maximum number of days a review card will wait. When reviews have reached the limit, it will give all the same delay. So keep that in mind. If you want to go ahead and edit this, it's going to be on this specific part of the area. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.